Well guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got a gig tonight over in Marquee, over in Richmond. Now the Tahoe's just got stuck in a field with a trailer on the back because we were given the wrong directions. But I managed to get the Tahoe out in 4-wheel drive. What a machine, absolutely fantastic. This guy, we've got the farmer now, just jet washing the Tahoe. So, all fun and games. Don't forget underneath. We've got to get the tractor, pull the trailer out. Now he's just jet washing all the mud. That's covered. Straight there. But anyway, let's have a quick mosey around. What it looks like. All the guests are turning up now, as you can see. There you go. Where's the drummer gone? Oh, there he is. Come on, Adam. What did you think about getting stuck in the field? Come on.
It was exciting. It was muddy, but more importantly,
You made a
now
nice
out
pizza.
of it. Yeah, what? I made a pizza.
Yeah, you made a nice pizza, didn't you? You thought that was more interesting than being stuck in the field.
Yes, it was an omelette, but it was sort of pizza shaped omelette.
I bet it was.
So
You just can't cook really, can you?
It's supposed to be
A bit like me. Fucking useless.
I can cook.
What did you think, Vic? What did you think about that whole
I was
situation?
very excited about getting pulled out with the tractor.
Yeah, but didn't the Tahoe do well? Yeah.
Perfect.
In the end.
Right. Right, guys and girls, we're about to do a sound check, so let's rock and roll.